It is September 22nd. It's about a week after the flood. This is the campground here. Water's still coming through it. Highway 34 up to Estes. Gonna go in Grandma's house now. Chickens are doing fine. There were steps here before. Got some mud in here. You can see the water level about 6 inches up off the floor. We've tried to shovel some of it out just to get a path through here. It's about an inch deep of mud. It's going back and up to Jerry's. See, this door was closed. That's how much silt got built up on the other side. This all got washed out here. We can make it through this way. Propane tank got wedged in between the two houses. Kind of a good thing, probably. See, the water just came right through here. This was Grandma's backyard. See some grass down there. None of this was here. By this, I mean dirt and rock. Straight that way would be where my shed and 2 vehicles were. Now it's a river. The river has changed course. It used to be, well, close to, almost to that power line over there, that pole. It's moved about 50 feet or so south. This used to be a little driveway where there's a trailer that used to be right there. Come back around here, looking down towards the stage top. River follows where the road, the old road, used to be. Still goes under the bridge though. Grandma's yard still here. Still got some apples. Just the amount of rock that was moved is amazing. There's like feet of just stones and dirt everywhere. Grandma's old front porch. Everybody parked up on Glen Haven Road to protect their cars. So here the river was probably closer to 100 feet further north. The old outhouse used to be right, well, what now is the middle of the river. 2 trees we just had trimmed a little while back. Fur traders seem to fare pretty well. It's just wet. Needs to be cleaned out, probably. Looking up the campground. Campground is now just a river.